Want to know the top 5 affiliate marketing programs right now and how to join them? In this video, we'll dive into the world of affiliate marketing, a lucrative avenue for content creators. We'll explore the best affiliate programs currently available and guide you through the sign-up process for each. We'll also touch on how to increase visibility for your affiliate links and how to earn money even without YouTube monetization. So, if you're ready to take your content creation to the next level, keep listening. First on our list is Amazon Associates, one of the most popular affiliate marketing programs worldwide. The beauty of Amazon Associates lies in its vast range of products. From books to electronics, there's an affiliate product for every niche. This makes it an excellent choice for content creators of all kinds. The platform is also remarkably user-friendly. To sign up, head over to the Amazon Associates homepage. Click on Join Now for free and follow the step-by-step instructions. You'll need to provide some basic information including your website or YouTube channel URL and preferred payment method. Once you're signed up, you can start linking products in your content. Every time someone purchases through your link, you'll earn a commission. The more traffic you generate, the more potential there is to earn. Navigating the world of affiliate marketing can be daunting, but with a program like Amazon Associates, it's as easy as pie, and there you have it, you're now an Amazon Associate. Next up, we have CJ Affiliate, a program known for its vast network of advertisers. This expansive network provides a rich variety of products and services to promote, making it an ideal choice especially for content creators who have a diverse audience. One of the notable advantages of CJ Affiliate is its reliable tracking system. The platform uses advanced technology to ensure every click and transaction is accurately recorded. This transparency is crucial in building trust with advertisers and ensuring you get paid for your efforts. Joining CJ Affiliate is a straightforward process. Start by visiting their website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the requested details like your website, your business model, and promotional methods. After submitting your application, you'll need to wait for approval. Once approved, you can start browsing through their vast network of advertisers and select the ones that align with your content. Congratulations, you've just joined the CJ Affiliate Network. Third on our list is ShareASale, a favorite among content creators for its flexibility and user-friendly interface. What makes ShareASale stand out is its extensive marketplace with over 4,000 merchants offering both physical and digital goods. This variety ensures that no matter your content niche, there's an affiliate product waiting for you. Signing up for ShareASale is a breeze. Start by visiting their website and clicking on Affiliate Sign Up. You'll need to provide some basic information about your website or platform, and then you'll be asked to choose a username and password. After you've completed the application, ShareASale will review your site for appropriate content. Once approved, you can start browsing their extensive list of merchants and select the ones that align with your content. One tip to remember, always select products or services that resonate with your audience. This increases the chances of successful conversions. Well done, you're now a part of ShareASale. Fourth on our list is ClickBank, a globally renowned affiliate marketing program. ClickBank is a major player in the affiliate marketing world, boasting an impressive array of digital products across a wide range of categories. This means that no matter what your niche is, you're likely to find something that aligns with your content. Now, what sets ClickBank apart is its high commission rates. Some products offer up to 70% commission, making it a potentially lucrative choice for content creators. Joining ClickBank is a straightforward process. Start by heading over to their website and clicking on the Create Account button. Fill out the required information, including your personal details, banking information, and account nickname. Once you've completed these steps, you can start browsing through ClickBank's extensive product marketplace. Select the products that resonate with your content and start promoting. Remember, the more you promote, the more you potentially earn. Great job, you're now a ClickBank affiliate. Last but not least, we have Rakuten Marketing, a top-rated affiliate marketing program. A powerhouse of the affiliate world, Rakuten Marketing offers a global affiliate network to creators across the globe. This platform is known for its wide range of quality products and services, making it a perfect choice for creators to diversify their content. Rakuten Marketing stands out for its advanced features, including real-time reporting and deep linking opportunities. These tools can help you to track your progress and enhance your marketing strategy. So, how do you sign up for Rakuten Marketing? It's quite simple. Start by visiting their website and filling out the application form. You'll need to provide some basic information about your content platform. Once your application is approved, you can start choosing from a vast array of affiliate links that align with your content. Congratulations, you're now a part of Rakuten Marketing. And that's it, the top 5 affiliate marketing programs and how to join them. Let's take a quick moment to recap. We've covered Amazon Associates, a great starting point with its vast product range. We've delved into CJ Affiliate, a network that offers high commission rates and a plethora of brands. We've explored ShareASale, a platform known for its ease of use and diverse merchant base. We've examined ClickBank, a program that prides itself on high commissions and digital products, and finally we've discussed Rakuten Marketing, a network that stands out with its quality over quantity approach. Each of these programs offers a unique opportunity for content creators to monetize their platforms, even if they're just starting out. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a beginner, these programs can serve as a viable source of income. However, it's crucial to remember that affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires consistent effort, strategic planning, and a deep understanding of your audience's needs and interests. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it allows you to earn passive income while providing valuable content to your audience. It's a win-win situation that, when done right, can lead to a sustainable and profitable business. Remember, success won't come overnight, but with dedication and the right strategies, you can make the most of these affiliate marketing programs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.